Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how to add stop loss on Interactive Broker. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Stop loss is a feature which will prevent you from the loss into your assets in Interactive Brokers. Now in order to set a stop loss, just simply go to any of your asset that you have or you want to buy. I'm selecting this Amazon into here, and after going into there, click to buy option, and into buy option, if the limit price is all good and the time in force and market hours is also good, then just simply click into this drop down for limit, and into here click to stop button. Then just simply select the stop price into here, and after setting up the stop price as you want, and after that click to done, then buy your asset. And this is how you apply a stop loss into your Interactive Broker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.